Hola, Miss Beth here with your instructions for today. And here we go. Here we go. Okay, so today we are going to work on another part of our chapter. We are trying to finish our chapter para empezar, that is the introductory chapter to is our review. And in this part, it says, okay, no, wait. I didn't start with the beginning. The number one says, recuerda reportar tu asistencia aquí. So you're going to click right there. Pause. Fill the form. All right. Thank you. Okay, so in this part of the chapter, para empezar, you're going to review about en la clase, and in the part that we're going to see today, we're going to see calendar and dates. So you're going to find the presentation 3 for en la clase, and here's the instructional video and some other useful tips and tools, but really and truly, you are going to need only your video because I think you don't have any audio in this one, I'm pretty sure. Okay, so I opened the presentation 3 right here. The first thing you have here is, as usual, the part in the book that is showing you, reminding you about the vocabulary that you need for this. It always takes a little while, especially when I'm streaming and recording, to open, so I open it here in this book. Okay, so it's page 14 and page 15. So in page 14, in the first part, you have el calendario y la fecha, that's the calendar and the date. And then you have the days of the week right here, el día, el mes, that's the month, el día is the day, and la semana is the week. Remember that we have been putting there semana del, this one is del 21 de septiembre, del 21 al 25 de septiembre. Okay, so you have the months right here, enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre. Oh, maybe I can give you, I'm going to give you a tool so you can listen how they are pronounced. And it makes it easier when you have to do your talk and your recordings. Okay, and then here's some usual questions. ¿Cuál es la fecha? Es el 22 de agosto. ¿Cuál es la fecha? Es el 1 de agosto. And look at this important thing right here. To say the first day of the month, use el primero. For the other days, use numbers like dos, tres, cuatro. Okay, what is the reason? In English, you say the days of the month are ordinal numbers. So you say first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and so on. But in Spanish, the only ordinal number is the first of the month. And that's when you say primero. You see, it doesn't say uno. It says primero. Se dice primero. No se dice uno. And then all the other days are cardinal numbers. They are not ordinal numbers. So if I translated that to English, that would be like first, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I hope that makes sense. Well, I mean, it's Spanish, so it doesn't make sense, but I hope that you understand what I mean. Okay, and then this part talk about qué día es hoy. So hoy is today. The mañana is tomorrow. And they didn't put here, but ayer was yesterday. But I think we're working here with hoy and mañana. Hoy and mañana. So, ¿qué día es hoy? Hoy es lunes. Mañana es martes. That's what it says here. If hoy es martes, mañana es miércoles. And we have, again, here is the days of the week. Okay. I think it's pages 14 and 15. Let's look at the activities to see how you're going to answer your activities. In the first activity, you're going to have to record. So, let's see the example. And it's exactly what I was just telling you now, the bottom of that page. So this is the example.
¿Qué día es hoy? Hoy es lunes, mañana es martes.
Okay, hoy es lunes, mañana es martes. So that's the same example that I was showing you there. And then you're going to record it here with these days. So, hoy es lunes, mañana es martes. And then you say uno. Hoy es martes, mañana es miércoles. Dos. Hoy es sábado, mañana es domingo, and so on. Okay, that's the first activity you have. The next one you have is It says these days. So it says, read the following sentences and rewrite them, making the necessary corrections. It says, el día de San Patricio es el 14 de enero. What is el día de San Patricio? Oh, I'm going to tell you that one. It's St. Patrick's Day. So it is el 14 de enero. El día de San Patricio, and then you're just going to rewrite it. Don't forget the special characters. El día de San Patricio, oops, es el 17 de marzo, right? See? March 18, el 17 de marzo. And then you're just going to answer 7 of these. That's what you had to do. Let's just double check. Just give me 1 second. Okay, that one was correct, you see? Okay, the other ones I didn't answer. All right, let's go with the next one. The next one says, okay, these are, remember when we did the jeroglíficos? And I always say jeroglíficos because the word in Spanish, it seems really difficult for you. It is. But it's difficult for me in English to say hieroglyphics or something like that. But anyway, so you had these images here and you had to determine what is this representing. I don't know what this is representing. So I just look at the image, and what I think you should do is probably go ahead and see something that looks like something you might know and start with those and then just eliminate the ones that you already put. So you just need to choose which one is which, what represents each one of these. Okay, continue. The next one, I'd say that you just check and click on the word, right? Okay, the next one says, complete the sentences with the appropriate word or expression from the chapter. Si hoy es jueves, mañana es. So if it's Thursday today, what day is tomorrow? Like tomorrow is, if today is Thursday, tomorrow is, yep, Friday. So how do I say that? So you're just going to write the day right there. And if I'm not wrong, that's the only kind of questions you had there. But let's just check in case that. Okay, it says complete the sentences with the appropriate word or expression for the chapter. So it's the same. Okay? All right, so just that one. This one. This one is when we are learning how to pronounce words. So this is like a brief lesson right here. That you just, it's a brief explanation on when you use the letter C and how in some cases it sounds like a S and sometimes it sounds like a K or something like that. So you just read the explanation and then you start selecting the words that sound like that. So you need to probably read the words clase, Garcia, doce, and then that's how you are going to select your right answer. If you need help, please let me know and I will help you because I know this is pronunciation and we haven't been talking much Spanish because we are still going over our review. All right, let's go to next one. The next one is similar and is with the sounds for H and J. H and J. So we don't say hoy es, but we say hoy es. And we can the silent H and all that. So once again, you need to read the explanation, and if you have questions, you can ask me because I know that we may not remember this from last year, and last year was kind of weird. Yeah, we couldn't. So okay, let's go with the next one. This one. You are gonna play with this calendar, and we're gonna be connected during the class, so I can help you with these activities. And we're gonna go over this calendar, but it's completely lost. Okay, so this is the March calendar, and he is a little confused. So he's saying hoy, that means today, remember? Hoy es el 5 de marzo. Es jueves. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna find the 5 de marzo. So this is March, you're gonna find 5, and you're gonna find out if this is for a fact jueves. But jueves is aquí, and here it says that it's martes. So you say, no, es martes. Don't forget the comma because you're answering a question. No, es martes, okay? And then this is your first question. Hoy es 30 de marzo. What you're going to do, you're going to find if it's 30, where the 30 de marzo is, and if it's lunes. Okay, well, lunes is here, and 30 is here, and it's sábado. So you're going to say, no, es sábado. And I'm not going to give you more answers. Okay, let's go with the next one. The next one is, you're going to write these dates. Now, this is important to remember. You probably don't remember because we saw it 1 year ago. But when you say the dates in Spanish, it's backwards on how you say them in English. And then you put de in the middle. So that's why this is 2 de diciembre. Now, something for you to remember, maybe helps you to remember is, let's say that this is just the number, 2, and then this backslash, I think you call it, will be de, and then this, you just count the months. Enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, diciembre. That's 12. So diciembre, and that's how you have your answer. So don't forget to put el 2 de diciembre. And that's what you have to put. In Spanish, you don't capitalize the months. Do not capitalize the months. In English, you do, but in Spanish, you don't. All right, that's that one. And the last one is about the, it says September school, but I already went through this, but I forgot. To make sure you have the right day, enter the day. Oh, okay. So you're going to find, this is September, right? So you're going to find what day of the week this this date that they are giving you is. So it says el 3 de septiembre, so you find 3, and now you're going to know that is viernes. And just put that there. And that's it. That's all you have to do. All right. So let's go back to the plan. Your video is going to be here. I'm going to put there a link so you can go and listen and pronounce the months. So when you have to say the months, you know how to. Please, when I give you those links, please go there, stop, pause the videos or pause the activity and listen and try to repeat. Okay? That will make you more confident when you have to record. You're doing a great, great, great job. Okay? I am very proud that you are trying and are doing so good. And that makes me proud. That makes me happy because we are succeeding. And pretty soon we're going to finish this review chapter, and now we're going to start our new contents that we need to retake. All right. So I'll see you in class. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.